Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. I have a box. I have no idea who it's from. No one has said they're going to send me anything. I haven't ordered anything. It came about a week ago, but I've been on holiday, so I haven't had a chance to open it. But I have not got a clue what it is, so let's undo it together and have a little look. Oh, it's Gothic Beauty. They sent me one of these before, but I didn't realise I was getting another one, so that's exciting. So you get a magazine. So this is PR. This has been sent to me for free. They sent me one before. I'll try and link the video. But you get a cool magazine with lots of beautiful people in it. Lots of beautiful people. Just looking creepy and amazing. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Yeah. And then does that... I don't know. We'll see. And then you get your little thing that tells you what's in it. And then it looks like this. So, lip service. We've got a sticker, a really big sticker. There's a code to get money off at lip service. I'm assuming there's something from lip service in here. Is there? Have I not had this before? I don't think I've had this before. So what have we got? Full size paint and shadow potion. Goth Industrial Neck, black and jaw defining. I don't know what this is. I don't know what it is. I feel like I had one of these before. Did I not? Have they just sent me the same box again? This is box 56. I need to have a look and see. Oh no, I had a white one last time. This one's black. This is like a black foundation, so you can do like gothy makeup and stuff. That's cool. Definitely use that. But you need to go to the recycling because I'm trying to have a sort out. Lashy Doodle. Full size eyeshadow palette. Oh, she is pretty. Oh, that purple's lovely. Ooh, what one next? Look at that. And it actually comes off as pigmented. Because quite a lot of the times, especially I found with the Huda palettes, you touch the glitter and it just fucking goes everywhere and you can't pack it on your eye. But that is like immediately packable. What are you? Oh, you're like a balm. The yellow one's like a balm. And again, it stays on. Oh, they're so pretty. Very nice. Oh, covered in shit. What are you? Who are you by? Spooky Spirits. Essential oil rollerball Spooky Spirits. The scent is to breathe in a little air. Coffee house aroma. Coffee house aroma. That smells like coffee. That literally smells like coffee. Oh my god, that's amazing. That could help me with my coffee addiction. Like when I want a coffee, just sniff that instead. Ooh, we've got, what are you? Socks? No. Leg warmers? Gloves? What are you? Oh, gloves. Fingerless. Oh, love them. I'm not going to be able to keep these. The girl's going to steal them. Love. Obviously not for summer, but for the winter. Yes. Ooh. And normally I do have my really long nails, and if I ever want to wear gloves, I have to cut the fingertips off. But obviously with them, it's a winner already. What are you? Eyeliner stamp. This is... Who are you by? This is Lashy Doodle as well. Double-sided eyeliner stamp with a purple ink. Ooh. So we've got... Oh my god, that's amazing. We've got a little ink. Look. It's so cute. And then, are you a purple eyeliner? You are a purple... Oh my god, that's a purple eyeliner. That is so cool. It's a really nice deep purple as well. Love that. This is so exciting. I've got a Gothic Beauty sticker. I'm going to stick on my fridge in a minute. We've got a necklace from Eerie Baubles. Oh, that's cute. It's a little bat necklace. That's super cute. Again, I think the girls are probably going to want to steal that. And then lastly, we've got a tea infuser. A Skull and Bones tea infuser from Castle Mark. So you put loose leaf tea in the skull and you close it like that. Somehow, close it. And then place the skull in a teapot and then hang the crossbones off the side. That's fucking adorable. Absolutely adorable. I love that. That was a really good box. I'm very happy with that. I wish I'd have opened it sooner. I'm sorry, Gothic Beauty. I have been on holiday. I only got back from Mallorca. What day is it? It's Monday. I got back Saturday afternoon. So I have been busy. But that is awesome. Let me know what you guys think. I'll leave a link for the box down below. I'm going to go and stick this on my fridge because I'm a child and like stickers. But yeah, thanks for watching. I love you. Bye.